In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom chat during a meeting. Whether you're sharing a quick note with everyone or sending a private message to a colleague, the chat feature helps you communicate without interrupting the speaker. First, open the chat window. During your Zoom meeting, look for the chat button on the meeting toolbar. On most desktops, it sits along the bottom of the screen. On some layouts, it may be at the top. Click it, and a chat pane will open on the side of your meeting window. If the pane is already open, you're good to go. Next, decide who should receive your message. In the chat pane, find the To drop-down menu. Click it to choose your audience. Selecting Everyone sends your message to the entire meeting, which is great for general questions, links, or reminders. If you want to speak privately, choose a specific participant from the list. That message will be visible only to you and that person. Take a moment to double-check this setting before you type, especially if you're switching between public and private messages. It's an easy way to avoid sending something to the wrong audience. Now, type your message. Click in the field that says, "Type your message here," and start writing. Keep it clear and concise so people can follow along while still listening to the meeting. If you need to attach a file, look for the attachment option in the chat. This feature is sometimes restricted by the host, so if you don't see it, file sharing may be disabled. You can always paste links directly into the message field. Zoom will keep them clickable for quick access. As a tip, pressing Shift plus Enter creates a new line without sending, which is handy for longer messages. When you're ready, send the message. On desktop, pressing Enter will send it immediately. Give it a quick glance before you hit Enter to confirm the right recipient and that everything looks correct. If you're sharing a link, make sure it's complete so others can open it without issues. Finally, close the chat window if you don't need it. Click the X at the top right of the chat pane to hide it. Closing the chat doesn't delete messages. It simply clears your view so you can focus on the meeting again. You can reopen it anytime using the chat button. And that's it. With these steps, you can comfortably use Zoom chat to share information, ask questions, and collaborate smoothly during any meeting.